Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to capture specific window as a screenshot. It's pretty simple. We need a combination of three keys. Press Shift, Command and 4. Once we press and release those keys, you can notice your cursor has been changed to this crosshair icon. Next, we need to press spacebar and release it. Once we release our spacebar, your cursor changes again to this camera icon. And now we are ready to take a screenshot of a specific window. We can move this camera icon to the window. For example, I am going to take a screenshot of this system preference window. I will move here and click it. Once we click, you can notice it took the screenshot. Okay, so that's how we can take a screenshot of a specific window. Now here you can notice that it have border line. If we are not willing such border line in our screenshot, we can remove it too while taking a screenshot. Let me show you how we can do that. We have to repeat same process, Shift Command 4 and now press space bar. And now what we need to do, we have to hold Option key, okay, and move your cursor here and there where you want to take a screenshot. I moved here to system preference while keep holding Option key. Okay, now click on it. Once we click here, you can see it took the screenshot without border.